Today I'm going to recap the 128. I've already got it out of its case, so let's get the soldering iron heated up and let's get to it. I've got a printout of the circuit board with all the capacitors highlighted and the values written on them, so I can tick them off as I go through and make sure that I've got them all done. I'm going to start from the right hand side and sweep left across the board. So we've got capacitors here, and there, down here, and also under this tin lid. Let's take the lid off. There we go. So we've got 4 more capacitors under here, there, and there. So the first one is this chap, C107, and that is 100 microfarads, 16 volts. Now it's important to get these in the right way round. They are polarized, so the white stripe one there is negative, and that is also the shorter of the 2 pins. The shorter leg is negative. Alternatively, the long leg is positive. So okay, this next one is C104 220, and that's the 220. Okay, that's all done. Now let's try it out and do a blue smoke test, see if we made any leaks. Okay, so let's plug it in. Turn the screen on. Turn the power supply on, and let's wait for the blue smoke. Look at that. It works, it works, it works. So now let's do some cleanup work around the edge connectors and the top boards. We're going to pull the chips and just spray them with contact cleaner because they can work loose over time. And then we'll put heat sinks on it. I start off by scrubbing the edge connectors with an anti-static brush and some IPA. That doesn't seem to do a lot, so I give contact cleaner a go. That seems to do a better job. Okay, let's pull the chips and give them a clean. Each one gets pulled out with my cheap eBay chip puller. Out you come. Put some air in there. Then the legs are straightened and cleaned off, and the socket treated with compressed air and contact cleaner. Okay, that can go back in. There we go. Excellent. Okay, so the heat sinks are on, and all that's left to do is give it one final test before we put the lid on. So, power on the monitor. Power on the computer, and there we go. Okay, now the lid's on. The LED is fixed. Caps lock was down. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. See ya!